Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add a page here on Wix. Okay, so here we have the editor. So first up, the menu. Okay, so to add a new page right here, just go ahead over to the left panel and click on Pages and Menu. Okay, and here as you can see, here we have the side menu, which is this one. Now to add a page, just click on this button. Click. Now here we have some templates. Okay. Let's say, for example, I'm just going to go ahead and create a blank page. Now I'm going to name it maybe FAQs. Okay, just like that. And on done. FAQs right here has been added. If you want to move it like here, besides contact, just use this move tool, drag it. There you go. Okay. Now once that's done, if you want to hide it in the future, click on 3 dots. Here we have hide. You could also set this one as a home page if you want to, and some SEO settings right here, and the page setting. Okay, like the layout. Okay, going back, let's go ahead and preview it. Let's go ahead over to FAQ right here. As you can see, it is blank. This one is the footer. This one is the header. Okay, you can now go ahead and edit this specific page, like adding a new section and elements. There you have it. That's how you add a page here in Wix. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.